GlobeX data just launched in the United States. And with me to explain how that is going is CEO Alain Ghiai. Great to have you back.
Thank you, Jane. Great to be here, and hello to our viewer.
Yeah, and I know this was a big deal for you to launch in the U.S. It was, what, a month or so ago? How's that going?
That's doing amazing. We officially launched July 15, but on July 12, we started a little bit of a pre-launch, and the subscribers have been increasing, and we're up 700% compared to the month before in subscriber base. Of course, it's just the beginning, but we're very excited to see what people are saying, what they look for. We have we now know that the business model works, so yeah. that's really a big thing.
Well, and for some people that maybe Secure is new to them, can you tell us what it is that you do?
Sure. So GlobeX Data is a company that was founded in Switzerland about almost 15 years ago. And we have two solutions, Secure and Secure Safe. Secure Safe is a document management tool, a password management, mostly geared to enterprise and small business. And Secure, spelled S-E-K-U-R, is a suite of product. And we have Secure, which is a secure email and a messenger as well, or Secure Messenger. So Secure sells for $10 a month per user, and then the messenger is $5 a month. The big difference that we do is that we don't use any big tech platforms, so we're not hosted on Amazon Web Service. For example, the messengers like Signal are hosted there, and then you have WhatsApp. So if you want a better alternative, and definitely private, because all our data is stored in Switzerland, you would buy Secure Messenger. And if somebody doesn't have the messenger, which is very unique, you're able to invite them via email to chat with you, even if they didn't download the application. So that's a pretty cool tool. And then our email also has a similar feature. We send Secure Send. Let's say you want to send a sensitive document to your banker, your client, your patient as a medical record. You can use Secure Send, and then the recipient would get a link to click on, and they can use Secure Reply. And the whole thing, the whole transaction happens only in our encrypted environment in Switzerland. So that's very unique. And we also don't use open source coding like 99% of the software out there.
Well, there was just a study done today called, it was from Social Catfish was the name of the group, but there was like 4.2 billion in internet fraud in the US in 2020. And a lot of it was phishing emails. So this is a growing problem. People have been losing thousands of dollars. The hackers are getting more creative and sneaky. And so, I mean, it's something people should consider.
Well, the big problem is that, first of all, I should have said, we never data mine your information. Data mine is the biggest problem to start. And then 95% of all hacking in the world start with email. So all financial fraud, everything, they get into your email without your knowledge, and then they get to know your pattern, where you bank, what you do, and then they siphon money out of you at the end of the day. So we don't do any data mining. That's critical. We can't even look into your data, and we also obey by the Swiss privacy laws. So nobody, no lawyer, nobody can subpoena that data unless you commit a penal crime in Switzerland. Okay. Which is very hard to do unless you go and maybe kill someone in Switzerland, of course. But, okay, most people wouldn't go there.
It wouldn't be bad, yes. Now, are you also expanding in Latin America?
Yes, I'm glad you asked. We signed an agreement with América Móvil, which is the 7th largest telecom operator in the world. It's owned by Carlos Slim and his family, traded on the New York Exchange under AMX. So we launched Secure Messenger in Mexico. We have an office there. América Móvil total has about 280 million subscribers. And the product is very popular. People are looking to get away from WhatsApp. Even regular people in Mexico, you have business people, you have people who need privacy, because they don't want to be hacked every time and have their identity stolen every day. So that we have high hopes for Latin America. We're going to start with Mexico first, and within 6 to 9 months, we're going to move to Colombia, Panama, and other countries as Mexico rolls out. This is going to be a very big market. Latin America is an emerging market. It's next door, very easy to deal with, and we're with the largest player in the continent.
Okay, very interesting. And then just finally, what are the main concerns that you hear from customers?
Well, a big concern is privacy. For example, people say, well, I don't want my data to be mined. That's number one. Security is always a concern, but people say, well, WhatsApp is encrypted too, so what's the difference? But the privacy is the biggest concern. And the fact that we're Swiss-based, we have the Swiss law, but most importantly, we never data mine you. And that's the biggest feedback that we get, so that's encouraging. We have people now who want to switch to their businesses. So we're going to target businesses starting September. There's 33 million small business in the United States. We believe that we can get a percentage of those guys as well.
Yeah, no, I mean, it makes a lot of sense. It's a growing concern. It's not getting any better. It's getting worse. And the hackers are getting better at what they're doing. So, I mean, I'm almost falling for a couple. So, okay. So where can somebody find out more?
Well, you can go to secure.com, sekur.com. We just got our new website up. We have a help section with all the video tutorials. I highly recommend people go there. And if you want to know more about the company itself, you can go to globexdata.com, but secure.com is your best bet. sekur.com, and everything is out there. We're also going to launch a voice encrypted version of Secure. We'll talk more about that in future times, but that's coming this year as well.
Okay. Well, congratulations on your successful rollout in the US and Latin America, and I look forward to updates.
Thank you, Jane. Thanks, everyone, for watching.